Hello friends, I am Swapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we are going to draw a kite flying composition. So friends, at first I have done gesture drawing with pencil very lightly. So after that we can use black sketch pen or black pen. So friends, see, this composition is a very simple composition, kite flying composition, common composition. So at first we have to complete the boy. See the boy drawing properly. Step by step you have to complete his drawing. Okay. Friends, see, when you'll draw his figure, at that time you should follow particular place. I mean, from where you should start his drawing. Okay. And see, now we have to complete his lower part. See, step by step if you follow the drawing properly. So friends, see, if you draw a balanced line, it's better for you. You can draw a balanced line here. Okay. Friends, see, and if you want, you can divide the page into 4 equal pieces. Then you can draw the composition properly. Okay. And when you start the houses or background, at that time also you have to follow the particular box. Okay. Now friends, see, almost our composition is completed. Okay. And I requested to you that if you want, you can add any figure also, or if you want, you can change the background also. Okay. So friends, see, now we have to complete a tree here, and after that we can complete the line portion. So friends, see, almost our drawing is completed, and I told so many times that if you need any help you can contact with me, and also if you want to learn painting or drawing from us, so please you can contact with me. And if you love this video, please don't forget to share with your friends and with your relatives. Okay friends, bye.